Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to build a very low cost laser security system for any home. So using some of the low cost electronic components without using microcontroller. That electronic components are I'm using. See here, this is an LDR light dependent resistor, and here this is an IR sensor, small laser module, and it's a very high accuracy and very pointed, and some of the reflecting mirrors, a small piece of mirrors, relay, LEDs, some wire for connecting the circuit, and a small breadboard. This laser based home security system project is a very interesting, and it is a very demanded project for a primary and as well as high school students, even though for PUC students, to conduct these type of experiments in a science expo. So now let us build a circuit to show how this circuit is going to work. Let us connect the components, like this is an IR sensor, and this one is a buzzer, and here 5 volts power supply, positive and negative. So IR sensor will connect to this is a positive, and this is negative, and buzzer positive is connects to positive of the supply, and negative is connected to the output of the sensor. This works for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 centimeter. And one more is, this is a laser sensor, and here it is proximity sensor. Let us turn on the signal. So now everything is good. If any obstructions came here, no laser, and if anybody came before this is for door sensor, and this is for the hole. Okay, now we will install into the real home or sweet home. So this is the prototype house with a laser protection as well as proximity protection is provided. If any person is entering through a gate, the buzzer will be activated, and if any person enter within the compound and at any place, so this all over the laser is protected. Here also it is protected. If here, here